Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know, the JAM is a joint entrance exam for M.Sc at different IITs. This is a question from section A. The question number is 3. So let's start with this problem. Which one of the points P, Q, R and S lies above the parabola and inside the circle x squared plus y squared equals to 4, and the parabola's equation is y equals to 2x squared. The equations of the circle and parabola are given by y equals to 2x square and x square plus y square equals to 4. Now we just need to find, after putting the values of x and y in these two equations, we just need y minus 2x square is greater than 0 because the point must above the parabola, and x square plus y square is less than 4 because it must lies inside the circle also. So these two equations must be satisfied by the particular point. So let's start with the point P. The point P is 3 by 2 and half. So we put the values of x and y in the first equation. Therefore we get half minus 2 into 3 by 2 whole square. That means half minus 2 into 9 by 4, or we get minus 8 by 2 or minus 4. Therefore it is less than 0. So it doesn't satisfy the first equation. So there is no need to check the second equation because the point lies below the parabola. Here the point lies below the parabola, so there is no need to check for the second equation, and it must not be the right option. Okay, now let's see the next one. So the next point is point Q, which is half comma 3 by 2. Now let's check for the first equation, y minus 2x square. Therefore we get 3 by 2 minus 2 into 1/4. So it results in 3 minus 1 by 2, that means 2 by 2, which is equals to 1, and of course it is greater than 0. So it satisfies the first equation. Now let's check for the second one. The second equation is x square plus y square, which is less than 4. Therefore we get 1/4 plus 9/4, therefore 8 by 4, hence 2, and it must less than 4. So it satisfies both the equations. Okay, hence the point lies in the region. Okay. Now, as this is a MCQ problem, therefore there is only one option is correct among these four given options, and we've already find our correct answer is option B, that means Q. But for this video, we also check other options. That means we also check for R and S. Now the point R is 3 by 2 and 11 by 2. Now let's first check for y minus 2x square. That means 11 by 2 minus 2 into 9 by 4. Hence we get 2 by 2, which is equals to 1, that means greater than 0. So it satisfies the first equation. Now let's check for the next one. That means 9 by 4 plus 121 by 4. That means 130 by 4, and which is equals to 32.5, and it must not less than 4. So it doesn't satisfy the second option. Hence it is a wrong point. Now let's check the last one, which is S. Now S is equals to 11 by 2 and 3 by 2. So y minus 2x square, therefore we get 3 by 2 minus 2 into 121 by 4, and here we get minus 118 by 2, which is less than 0. Therefore it doesn't satisfy the first equation. Now let's check for the second equation. Here we get 121 by 4 plus 9 by 4, which results in 130 by 4, which is same as the previous one. So it also doesn't satisfy any of the equation, hence it is also a wrong option. So we have solved this problem, and our correct answer is option P, that means point Q, and that's all. Thank you very much.